Stop packing outfits for vacation, especially after 40. Most women overpack for vacation and still feel like they have nothing cute to wear. And honestly, it's because y'all are packing individual outfits instead of packing systems. So then you get to the destination, your stomach bloats a little bit, now you hate that top that you packed, your shoes don't work with anything else, and now your whole suitcase has collapsed. Not feeling good in your clothes means vacation canceled. But I got you, friend. Because stylish women over 40 are not packing more clothes, they're packing smarter. And once you understand how to build outfit formulas instead of individual outfits, getting dressed on vacation becomes that much easier. So let me show you how to build a vacation wardrobe that actually works together. And the first mistake most women make is packing for specific events instead of making flexible outfits. So that way, when you go hard on that ceviche and that bloat hits, you covered. So let's go through the 7 steps of creating your vacation wardrobe system, which kind of sounds like we're building something from IKEA, but I promise you it is going to be a lot easier. All right, so step number 1, you need to pick one color story. If your clothes all belong to different universes, your outfits are gonna feel chaotic. You don't want neon and then all white and then a tropical print and then a leopard print. Like, the suitcase is confused. Now, individually, these outfits are cute, but together, friends, the suitcase has no identity. It feels like 5 different women packed for this trip. So what you want instead is a family of colors. Now, obviously, for me to bring you this example, I had to use different women, but notice how all of the outfits still feel connected. Even with prints and pops of color, everything still feels like it belongs to the same universe. And notice how it's not all boring beige, okay? Yes, you can add prints to your vacation wardrobe system, but they need to still look like they are in the same universe. You want visual harmony. This instantly makes pairing shoes and accessories so much easier. And your wardrobe starts feeling more polished and intentional. Now this one, what are we doing with this? You might as well throw the entire accessory section on Fashion Nova into the suitcase for this one. Now, step 2, choose one overall vibe. Now, this is super important and I feel like nobody explains this. Because people often pack one sexy outfit, one sporty outfit, one boho dress, one corporate dinner look, one tropical print, and then one random Amazon set. Like you see in this example, yes, these are all cute outfits. But again, now the suitcase has no harmony. The suitcase is giving Madonna and Janet and all of their eras all rolled into one. Pick one style direction. So for example, relax chic, elevated resort, sporty polish, effortless neutral, casual glam. Now look at our one color story board again, right? Not only are these telling one color story, they're all in the same vibe. So it's like elevated resort girl goes to brunch, elevated resort girl goes to dinner, elevated resort girl goes for a sexy night out. The reason some women always look so well put together when they're on vacation is because all of their outfits feel like the same woman in different scenarios. So it's more like Destiny's Child when Mama Tina was, putting their outfits together versus the Spice Girls. You picking up what I'm putting down? Now, step number 3, build around anchor pieces. These are the items that you save when your hormones are hormoning, your belly bloated in a mug, your feet hurt, and now you hate every single outfit that you packed. But your anchor pieces are gonna come to the rescue. These are pieces like a matching set, linen pants, an easy dress, denim shorts. I probably should have started on the different fingers. A layering shirt, a versatile sandal. Here's a visual example. Now, obviously these are different people and clearly different pairs of pants, but you see how a pair of white linen pants can go with so much here? Here's another example. I feel like I kind of did my thing with the visuals here, okay? I know some of y'all gonna still complain, but not everything on the internet is for everybody. So we have this zebra print matching set, okay? We love matching sets because they look good together, but you can break them up and mix and match them with other pieces in your closet. And look at all the mileage that these zebra print pieces are getting in all of these different looks. These pieces repeat easily, work multiple ways, and most importantly, they keep your suitcase flexible. Yo, and you know what's really cool about this? And it's almost like I've been saying this the entire time I started this channel when I tell you don't buy anything new unless it goes with 5 other things in your closet, because it's that same concept. Hold up now, because I just found a real life example while scrolling through Instagram of all the principles that we're talking about in this video here. So this is Miss Christine. She spent 10 days in Italy, and as you can see from this video, a lot of these pieces are being repeated with different outfits. They all look amazing, and that is what I'm talking about here. When you build around your anchor pieces, all of a sudden, one pair of sandals works with 5 different outfits. That button-down shirt, it works as a layering piece, a cover-up, you know, and obviously a shirt. And you see how them linen pants were putting in work. Now, I already alluded to step number 4, but this is specifically for your vacation wardrobe. Anything that you pack has to go with at least 3 other things in your suitcase. If an item only really works with one thing, should you really pack that thing? I might also question, why is it in your wardrobe, you know, your overall wardrobe to begin with? But, you know, we gotta work on one thing at one time here, okay? Now, I've already demonstrated to you what the wonderful world of one piece going with multiple items can do for your vacation system. Now, again, we are not packing individual outfits, because if all of a sudden you go through a perimenopause mood swing and you hate that top, now all of a sudden that whole outfit is ruined. But if you go wear that top with a pair of linen pants that give you a little bit more room in the belly area, now you're cooking with grease. When pieces work multiple ways, your suitcase becomes way more flexible. Those linen pants work with the tank top, with the button down. You can mix and match it with the matching set. Them same sandals work with the brunch outfit, with the dinner outfit, with the sightseeing outfit. Because why add extra chaos to your vacation? You're supposed to be vacaying, not stressing. Now, step number 5 is gonna sound like a contradiction as somebody who loves shoes, and I probably have shown y'all a vlog or 2 on my other channels, you know, with how many shoes I bring on a vacation, but we really should be limiting how many shoes we bring with us, because them jokers take up half the suitcase. And the more random shoes you bring, the more disconnected your outfits are gonna feel. All you really need is one comfortable walking shoe, one elevated sandal, and maybe one evening shoe. That's it. You see how a shoe like this works with so many different outfits. Like, you got some brunch looks in there, you got some sightseeing looks, some casual chilling at the resort looks, some dinner looks, and those shoes are something comfy that you can walk in, and because they go with so many looks, that's less shoes that you need to pack in your suitcase. Now, however, even with the shoes, we still follow the same principle. Same woman, different scenarios. Now, step 6, pack for your real vacation self. Why do we go on vacation and all of a sudden feel like we have to reinvent ourselves for social media? Like, stop doing that. Like, I know a lot of influencers make that mess look easy, but it is not. You know, some people are just really, really, really extra good at that, and some of us aren't. However, we can still look good, because vacation is not the time to suddenly abandon your actual style persona. Because, friend, if you don't normally wear sky-high heels, why are you bringing them on vacation? I mean, unless you're going on vacation with the girl from Zola, which that might be a deep cut reference. Leave me a comment below if you remember this one. So instead of packing like you got a growth strategy for your Instagram page, you want to pack for walking, eating, sweating, bloating, relaxing, and photos, and obviously comfort. Because let me tell you, the best vacation outfits are those that you feel good in, and I mean, like, you feel like you look good, but you also feel comfortable, not something that was forced on you. It looked like you're wearing somebody else's clothes. Now, step number 7 is what really makes wardrobes look cohesive and feel polished, and that is to repeat silhouettes, meaning similar necklines, similar proportions, similar cuts, similar jewelry. This is why some women can wear the simplest outfit and still look put together. Obviously, these are different women, but the outfits give relaxed chic vibes. And this one here gives minimal monochromatic chic. Repetition creates visual harmony. Your eye starts recognizing a pattern, so the wardrobe feels intentional and not random. Friends, especially after 40, you have got to pack smarter for vacation. Stop packing outfits. Because the second you decide you hate that one top that you paired with that outfit, now the skirt don't work, now the shoes don't work, now the belt don't work, now boom, the suitcase done collapsed. I mean, not like literally it collapsed, like the clothes inside. And now instead of enjoying your vacation, you're cry scrolling through Instagram on your hotel bed, watching everybody else enjoy their vacation outfits. Now, speaking of Instagram, if you actually want to like the photos that you take during your trip, you need to watch this video right here. In it, I'm teaching you tricks on how to go from untag me right now to IG baddie. Click on it here and I'll see you there.